Well, hello everyone. Well, today's saga or job is still with the seats. I thought I'd finish with the base of the seat, but my good friend, shout out to John, told me that there had to be another couple of springs. And he lent me this seat, which is actually a sedan base. So you can see this one, and you can see here there's a spring here, and so on the other side they're sort of not quite floating, they're tied into the sides and to the other spring, but they obviously don't extend as far as this one. So this is mine. Take these ones out, and this is how I got it. So you can see that there's this quite big gap on the sides. So these springs, which John also very kindly supplied, I can cut down and fit in. So that's part of today's job. So onward we go. So you can see that fits in there, and this one here. So the missing pieces go roughly here and here. So now what that does is when the upholstery is done, there's more support on the side, so your bottom doesn't fall in, I guess. Now I'll wire it in and see how it goes. Well, here I've got one spring wired in along the side here, and these ones all joined up, so I've only got the other side now to put in here. So I didn't want to video the whole thing because I thought it was a bit boring. Might do the next one on that fast thing. Yeah, anyway, so that's how we're going. And also, I understand that I should ask you guys to subscribe. Apparently subscribing is good and it helps build my YouTube channel, which I didn't really put together for that. I just did it for fun to document what I'm doing. But if you want to subscribe, well, subscribe, and hopefully you'll find this interesting enough to watch. Alright, catch you later. Bye. Well, after a lot of fiddling about, I think it's okay. It's got these clips in. These are here, so these new springs here and here. Help support on the side. A little bit wonky, but no, I think it'll be okay. Foam over it. So next step is to wire wheel all this. Get all the old cruddy paint off. Might have to weld that crack up there too, I think. Yeah, I'll just mark that. So weld that, and then paint it. Job done. Well, we're up to the last bit. Just paint it, as you can see. I've wire wheeled it as best I can get to most of the nooks and crannies. And this paint is a protects against rust and corrosion, so it's going to have its job cut out. Should be right though. And in case I didn't mention it before, please subscribe. Apparently that's a good thing according to YouTube. And yeah, I've got 6 subscribers so far, so that's probably 6 more than I thought originally. So yeah, if you wanna, subscribe. And I'll keep on doing this anyway. Alright, here we go. Well, there you go. First coat. It's going to need a second coat because, well, I'm sure some of you people have probably seen I've missed spots and gone, oh my goodness, he's missed that spot. But, you know, it'll do. And as they say, paint hole hides a multiple of sins. So it's got a fair bit of work to do here. Anyway, that's coming along and on time for the upholstery course. So I'll give another coat sometime tomorrow and job done. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.